Today I'm working on an area here that's in between our main house and what we call our family cottage, which has got a couple of guest rooms, and it's just outside the door of one of the other guest rooms, so it's important to have it looking nice so when people arrive they can appreciate the gardens. Recently it's become overgrown just over time as these trees that we've planted have really shot up in search of the light. They've kind of gotten tall and lanky, so I've cut most of them out already. I've got a little bit more work to do to clear it, cut the last piece out that I want to take out, and then we're going to plant this area with some flowering plants, some shade loving plants, and possibly put some ferns in here. We're not exactly sure yet. We've got some of the plants, some of them we're going to move from other places on the section that we think that they'll be happier in here, and instead of having like a canopy over it like we did before, which kind of caused a bit of a scruffy undergrowth, we're going to plant out the area in plants that will look nice and stay relatively low to the ground. My wife was up in Chiang Mai again recently, and she stopped by the Kamtiang market, which is the garden centre market in Chiang Mai. It's a wonderful place, and she's picked up some of these, I think they're called anthurium, something like that. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it properly, but I'd seen them up at the Royal Project Gardens up on Doi Inthanon here and thought they'd be a great addition to this shaded area of our garden. So we've got 4 of these to put in the ground today. They're all slightly different too, which will make it nice. We've got this lovely rich compost that's ready now. It's the compost we made with the bamboo leaves and buffalo manure and we've got plenty of biochar and all kinds of other goodies in there. So I'm going to help these little guys get a good start by adding a good dose of compost to these holes. The soil here isn't fantastic, it's pretty wasted, hasn't had a lot of input put into it because it's just kind of been a little area that was sort of forgotten about over the few years, and it's just overgrown and that. But there's a lot of garbage from the construction. The guys, when they're finished, they'll just throw in the extra concrete or the broken bricks and all kinds of other stuff, so I've had to clear some of that out of the holes. But now I'll add this really nice rich compost and mix it in a bit, and that should really give these plants a good start here. I've got a couple of pieces of this. I think it's a bromeliad. It's been sitting at the front of the house and doing okay, but in the hot dry season it's just in too much sunshine, so we'll put it around here. Even though it's sunny at this time of the day, later in the day when it gets really hot it will be in the shade, so it should flower nicely for us here. Let's hope so. I think I'll cut those leaves back a bit because they're quite big and they're looking rather sad. I think they'll do better if I cut them in half and give it a good watering again. I did water this area yesterday in preparation because I knew the ground here would be rock hard. So giving it a good bit of a soaking yesterday has really helped because it's nice and soft, and it's been easy to plant. And we will plant some more bromeliads here, but it's the wrong time of the year to buy them. So we'll go back to the garden centre again, which is not an uncommon feature in our trips to Chiang Mai, and we'll pick out some others to really fill this area out. We're going to be getting some ferns soon too, so hopefully this area will be suitable for them, and we'll be sure to keep you up to date. I've also got the intention to do a video at the Kamtiang market, which is the huge garden market in Chiang Mai. It's a fabulous place, but I've got to plan it really carefully because there's so much to see there and I don't want to make a 3-hour video about it. I just want to show you the highlights. So I'll be working on that, planning that, and looking forward to doing a whole special video at the Kamtiang market in Chiang Mai. I hope you've enjoyed this video from Suan Suk Homestay here, and that if you're in Chiang Mai, if you're travelling in Thailand, do come and see us, do come and visit us. We love to have people that are interested in our garden and who enjoy gardening, and we can share knowledge and experience together. Again, thank you for watching. Bye for now. I think they're called anthurium.